Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty making from Naio Nails. In this video we are going to play with holographic mylar and we're going to cut it into little shards and show you how to encapsulate that into a nail to create quite a simple yet cool design. Right, so with this sheet of mylar, it's a holographic one. I'm just going to basically cut up shards. Now I do think it's advisable to get a little pot and then any of the shards that you don't use, then you can put them in the little pot.
Yeah, that's good because a lot of people say you're very wasteful.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, people say, oh my God, have you seen how much glitter she's wasting?
Oh my God.
Which is true, but have you seen how much glitter we've got?
Yeah, we
don't really need to be.
We have enough to waste.
Yeah, I think people are just jealous.
Yeah, I do think that, you know, just pop it in a little pot.
I agree.
You can get little cheap pots, just empty pots. I've even wrapped things up in foil before now to save them when I haven't had a pot. Right, so I think I've got enough. Maybe a few small ones actually. Maybe a few just skinny ones. We're going to do it all in gel polish. 2 coats of serious black on. Or are we going to do one?
I was going to say, do you really need 2 coats of serious black?
Yeah, do you know what?
I think you only need
we only need one. Black. It's so black that, yeah, I think we're good with 1 coat. I'm going to cure that. Right, so because this has a sticky layer, we're going to pop the foil on. So pop that mylar onto it and it'll stick to it. So easy. I love easy designs, especially when you're in a rush in the salon and your client can't quite make their mind up what they want to have. And you go, oh, what about this?
And if you've already got the pot.
Oh yeah, you've already got
them in.
Cut up, that's it.
It's like boom.
Boom shakalaka. Easy peasy.
Next slide.
Yeah. So I'm just going to arrange them however I think I would like them. I'm not gonna go across the nail. I want everything to be drawn down. I want the eye to be drawn down the nail. If I put them on in this direction, what it would do, it would make the nail look quite wide. Nobody likes a wide nail. So it kind of looks like a broken mirror. I am going to touch it just so I know that it's all stuck down and it's going to make everything a lot flatter as well. You don't want any sort of wrinkles in there. And it is super thin. So, I mean, don't get me wrong, you can encapsulate this into acrylic, but we're going to encapsulate it with the top coat. we're going to be using the Urban Graffiti top coat. Because it is just so fine and thin, it will just sit underneath that top coat really nice. I am going to do 2 coats of top coat. And it's not really going to bulk out the nail because we've only done 1 coat of colour. I'm going to pop that into the lamp. Before I put the second coat of top coat on, I'm going to check how smooth it is, and to be honest, it's pretty damn smooth. But I am going to just file off anything that may be sticking out. But it's pretty neat, to be honest. And then I'm going to put the second coat of top coat on. That's going to make sure that everything's going to stay on nice. Everything's protected, everything's sealed in. So they are, I mean, I love it. As soon as you move it slightly, it starts to change colour. You've got all those holographic rainbow tones. So it's simple, like the other nails that you do with this. This could be an accent nail. The other nails could just be black and that'd still look beautiful. There you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed that video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Everything I've used today will be listed below. As always, it's always down there. And please comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.